In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft SQL to n8n. By the end, you'll have a reusable database credential ready to power your automation workflows without re-entering details every time. Start inside your n8n dashboard. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click Personal, then open the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores secure connections to services you use across workflows. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. This button starts a guided setup so you can define a connection once and reuse it whenever you need. In the service list, use the search bar and type Microsoft SQL. Select the Microsoft SQL option and click Continue. Choosing the correct service type matters because n8n will present the right fields for SQL Server, such as host, port, database, and authentication details. If you also work with MySQL, make sure you pick Microsoft SQL here, as they are different connectors. Now enter the credentials needed for the connection. You'll typically provide the server or host address, the port number, 1433 is common for SQL Server, the database name you want to access, and a username and password with the appropriate permissions. If your environment requires encryption, enable the relevant SSL or encryption option provided in the form. Give the credential a clear, memorable name so you can identify it later in a dropdown, especially if you plan to connect to multiple databases. Before saving, double-check for typos in the host, database, and username fields. Small mistakes. There are the most common cause of connection issues. Also ensure that your n8n instance can reach the database over the network and that your database user has the right read or write privileges for the tasks you plan to automate. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll land back on the credentials list with your new Microsoft SQL credential visible and ready to use. From now on, you won't need to retype those details each time you build a workflow. With the credential in place, you can use the connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. When you add a Microsoft SQL node to a workflow, simply pick the credential you just created from the Credentials dropdown. Then you can configure the node's operation, such as selecting data, inserting rows, or running a query, without touching the underlying connection settings again. That's all there is to it. You've created a secure, reusable Microsoft SQL connection in n8n, making your future automations faster, cleaner, and more reliable.